Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be walking you through a quick install of the Deskpro OPC. The OPC itself is a platform to deploy and manage your Deskpro Horizon instances, and it comes with a complete feature suite to help you do that. There are a few ways to install it. We have a Windows installer, we have a VM image which you can deploy in your choice of hypervisor. The large cloud providers we have marketplace images for, and the way that I'm going to do today is using the Linux install script on a fresh install of Ubuntu. So I have my server set up, it's ready to go, and I'm going to copy the link that we have in the guides. It's a simple copy and paste, and it will automate pretty much everything for you. The only thing that you're going to need to do as it installs is once it detects which IP addresses are in use by your VM, it'll ask you to choose which IP do you want to access the OPC with. And from there, it'll finish the setup. So we'll just leave it do its thing now. It'll take a few moments as it downloads and installs all the packages it needs, and we can come back to that pretty soon. It's important to say, of course, that you won't need to do this if you choose the cloud marketplace images or the VM images, because they will already ship with the OPC fully installed. So here we are now with the screen that I mentioned earlier. So it's going to take you through a guided setup of what you need to do. So the first thing I'll do is detect the IP addresses that you have in use. Now I want my OPC and Deskpro instances to be accessible using an external IP address, so that is the one that I'm going to choose. And then it will go through and perform the initialization of the OPC for you and get your server ready to go. It takes a few moments to do these things, but it will then present you with a link that you can use to go ahead and log into the OPC using the IP that you've just selected. So if I copy and paste that, now we go to the browser. You get this warning now because we use self-signed certificates just to make it easy to ship, but I'm just going to accept. And now you'll see that we're finalizing the setup of the OPC, determining a few things, and setup is completed. Then it will ask you to choose a master password as soon as you've installed it. So this is so that you don't have to generate a PIN each time you want to log in if you're not going to be logging in from Deskpro itself. So I'm going to set a password. I'll save that. And then we've logged into the OPC. You can do many things here, such as create instances or view the services that you have running, but we'll go over them in a separate guide. Thank you.